Guys, it's PC here. We got everybody getting ready for the meeting.
Hey,
we got Robert. What's up? How's it going? We got Mike.
Guest star,
Bob.
Jeff, too, conducting the meeting.
That's right. We got our guest host tonight.
SCC in the house.
It looks like we picked our car of the week already.
Yeah.
Neville's here. Jeff's here. Oh, there's
Jeff,
Surfer Dave.
And Jeff's got his new shoes on the Cuda.
Oh, he does. Look at that with the poverty caps and everything. Neville, there's John. What's up, John? How you doing, buddy? Good to see you, brother. Tim's in the house. Yeah, look at the car, the truck of the week, 1932. Nice little third brake light. Hand-cooked tires. Beautiful flame job on it. That got truck of the week, and deservedly so. Wow, dude. Look at that. Milestar street steel.
And he went with
poverty
the white
caps.
letters.
Oh, he sure did. I bet she's in the mag. I bet she got a shoot.
I hope Marvin did the white letters.
We shall see. Look at this 57 next to it, man.
I
Wow.
love this thing.
Wow,
It's
this thing's
one of
gorgeous.
The two-tone where they don't do the roof, just the back two-tone.
Yep. Is this the 110 trim, or I always forget? This is the base trim model, though. They almost use the door cards.
They did the just the upper part of the trim and the trunk, and the roof is still black.
It's badass, dude.
It's a great
Badass.
yeah. Even put the
150 or the
150? Yeah, nifty 150.
It is a 150. Yeah, it's a 150
I
trim.
think
So
they
this
put
was the base.
I think they put the truck brakes on them.
Yep. 6-cylinder trunk. Oh, and look at this. It's a pedal car.
Wow.
Yeah, this is really sweet with the poverty caps on it. It's a nice one. I like it. I like it. I like it. Look at that. We got pie tins, which I keep forgetting. Blair, you brought your wagon. Yeah. Love that. We got Tom over here. Yeah, we got Tom representing over here. That's awesome that you got him coming to the meetings and stuff. It's cool. He's a hell of a guy.
It's the same as your other car, right?
Dude, we got the Jetbirds together too. Check this out. We got the two Jetbirds together, parked. Here's Donna Marie. I always forget the folks on the right here, the name here, but look at these two cars together. Both 63s. Oh, maybe this isn't there. Oh, wait a second. This is a different car. Boy, I keep getting my Jetbirds all mixed up here. Wow. This one yours? Wow, this is cool. What's your name?
My name is Greg.
Greg, I'm Patrick. I'm with PCTV. I do the club videos and do that. So this is our third 63 T-Bird I think we've had here now in the last few weeks. So it's great to see. How long have you had the car for?
15 years. No, 20
Really?
Years, 20 years.
Really?
I bought it when I was 15.
Wow, that really says something right there. And you've done all the work to it and kept it up, and that's really cool. And you are?
Jasmine.
Hi, Jasmine. Nice to meet you. So, wow, that's really cool. Is this your first time coming out?
No, we came, this is like the second or third time.
Okay, yeah. A long time ago, you mean, or?
No, we came a couple weeks ago.
Oh, okay.
A couple weeks ago we came, and then we missed a couple times.
Did you bring the car?
We brought this and an orange Volkswagen theme.
Okay, I remember you now.
2 weeks ago.
Yeah, now I remember. I have a terrible memory, so you have to excuse me. Well, it's good to see you. I'm glad you guys showed up. I got to get the rest of everybody here and check it out, and thank you. This is awesome. And we got Donna Marie here, but look at this. The two birds together. It looks great. Just very, very cool. Yep, Donna Marie Allison in the house. Very, very cool. I lost Robert. Green 54 belongs to Tim. 4-door action. We got Tim and Jessica right here. What's up, guys? This one's for you too. Hey, Jess.
Hi, PC.
Hi, bye. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. I'm a little sweaty though.
Yeah, it's okay.
Nice. Oh, Dominic's in the house. Look at that. And we got the Jarikis in the house. Look at this. We got the Chargers lined up.
And I just go,
What's
what the
up,
hell is
Dominic?
this? I go, the shifter's never been like this.
This is cool. Dominic brought his Charger tonight. 69, beautiful. Gorgeous car. So we got his RT here, 69. Brought that tonight, along with Maximus. Wow, interior gorgeous. Side by side, they look pretty killer. Magnum setup. There's Maximus. Hey, Mike, how you doing, buddy?
Good evening.
Around this
How you doing,
monster.
Pat?
Hey, Tom, good to see you. Hey, Mike, how you doing, bud?
Good evening.
Hi, Neville.
What's up, Patrick?
How you doing? Man, that was a cool shot today of you with all the Porsches.
Oh,
That was killer. Where was that? Oh, was that last week? I just saw it today, though. So,
Oh, that's,
I was gonna say, man.
well, actually, that was a few weeks ago. That was with all those cars in the background.
yeah.
Last couple days.
I just had changed my profile picture on that one. But that picture was taken a couple, 3 weeks ago.
It was cool, though. That was a great shot. Oh, that was up in Santa Cruz?
Especially the 60s.
Look at these guys. What's up, guys? What's happening? Drinkies. Hello. Drove the pink one tonight. Yeah.
You put it really big on the tube there.
There we go. Jeff's in the house. Rob's here with his Cougar, 67. Original Cougar. I think he's got Krager's on it. I know Bob's floating around here somewhere, but I'm not sure where. Oh, those are primes. What's up, guys? Jeff, Rob, what's up? Hanging out in the car? Oh boy, look who it is. Greg Kaufman. Got to watch my toes. So we got both of them in there. Holy moly. So we got the Kaufmans in the house. Yeah, I better get out of the way. Gonna back up on me here. We got Mel 69 over here. Beautiful 69 Camaro SS. Got those headlights that everybody loves. Nice lines. Got the swept rear fender. Blue piping on the seats. Really a beautiful car overall. I got mine Robert Nice C10 here, blazing in its white and red pearl paint. It's for sale, you guys. If you want to hit me up, let me know. It's taking good offers on this thing. It's LS powered, all nice, beautiful interior red. Built specialty steering wheel. It's got electronic dash. Brand new wheels. It's 4-link, notched, you name it. This is a super clean truck. Reasonable asking price for it. So hit me up. There you go. And right next to it, we got 72 El Camino, belongs to Paul. Also a great car. And Paul, you see regularly on the drive-through downtown HB. Terry's here with his Bel Air convertible. We don't get him downtown very often. This is a beautiful car too. Really special 55. Take a look at this. Almost perfection here. He had a Nomad wagon and he replaced it and bought this. And I was just speaking with Neville and Tall Mike, and this is Neville's 69 Camaro right here. You've seen this one once or twice. Oh, looks like Rod Dixon's in the house. And Pinto Bob wouldn't be complete without Pinto Bob, so we got Pinto Bob. Pinto Bob's here too. Baddest Pinto you ever see, 289 powered. Look at the stitching and leather work inside this car. Just incredible. Really put together well. It's a V8 Pinto.
Hello, PC.
What's up, sweetie? How you
Hello.
doing?
Hello,
Just walking
people
around.
who are watching him. Stay safe.
What's up? Oh my God, look at this crowd here. We got Dave and Dunia and Tammy and Donna. Hello, 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 hello.
I'm setting up.
All SCC club members. We got Mustang Club in the house. We got Steve and James, and we even have a preacher with us today. So that's always cool. Cop Car Bruce is here. SCC patrol car. Jeff Page is here. Brought his FJ, you got his FJ 1000 here. Excuse me, it's 1100. He's had this forever. And we got Russell in the house. And we got Dave Lassard. Dave has got a really cool tribute on the back of his Sporty 1200 here. Got to take a look at what he's got going here. Look at that. He's got his glasses, riding for Dano, pushing pedals, pulling gears, and he's even got PCTV on the back. We got Steve Migliori in the house in his 65 Skylark. Looking like lake pipes on the back of this thing, and he went with his, I believe it's the rally wheels. Great interior. And he's back on the road again.
Yes, sir, yeah.
Yes, you are.
Makes me a happy boy.
Yeah, I can see the smile on your face. Look at you there. What's up, guys? Al, how you doing? Got a great video coming out of Derelicts the other day.
Yeah.
A couple thousand views later now.
Oh, okay.
Went nuts. The Toronto's here. See, you got to get the steering wheel on the wrong side here. So there we go. Well, look at this. It looks like it's getting close to meeting time, but I want to catch everybody before we shut her down and go to the meeting. Robert's Co is here. I lost Robert as my co-host again, but that happens a lot. Now, Alley Cat has really gone off. Hey, Shanty, by the way. Hi, sweetie. Hey, there's Blairfoot. We got my roomie. Oh, there we go. My co-host I lost. It happens all the time. Look what Alley Cat's done. Look at this.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Visor, new mirrors.
Oh, look, dude, I didn't even catch the visor.
Fucking guys copying me everywhere you go.
Door art is great. Like that sticker on the side of the tank.
I didn't expect nothing else, though.
Wow, really, really cool. Who's coming in now? Oh, it's Adam. Oh my God, look at this. Freaking Adam's here. 62 Sport Fury 413 Max Wedge. We got Dave here and his Surfing 46 Woody. Dave, what's up? Hung out with him the other day. We had dinner together. That was really cool. Had a great time at dinner the other night. How you doing, buddy?
I'm doing really good.
Good. Love this wagon. Just gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Look, and an original Lakara wheel. That's what I love. I used to be a Lakara dealer, so I love that. And of course, we got the Shanty Mobile here. 55, award-winning. Also car of the year for the club. And it looks like it's about time for the meeting, you guys. So we got Lee here with his 32 chassis. We got the 37 slant back that belongs to, of course. Oh, look at that, El Loco. Thank you very much. I need one of those. There you go, guys. And we got Jerry's 37 here.
See, that's old school.
And I love this sticker. And here we got Max's 65 Corvair. And we're going to finish up with Steve Thomas's 1930 Model A. And that's it. It's meeting time. Oh, there's Heather. Hi, Heather. Oh, look at that. Very cool. So there you go, guys. That's it before the meeting. And I guess we're going to go do a meeting. Yeah. PCTV out.